Hi everyone, I am Kausalya, 6th standard, second term science, unit 1 heat. இந்த லெசனில் இருக்கிற ஷார்ட் ஆன்சரும் டீட்டெயிலும் பார்க்கலாம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் இன்னும் இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமல் இருந்தீங்கன்னா உடனே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், கூடவே பெல் பட்டனையும் அழுத்துங்க. அப்போ தான் என்னோட எல்லா வீடியோவையும் நீங்கள் உடனுக்குடனே பார்க்க முடியும். கொஷின்ஸ்க்கு போகலாம். ரோமன் லெட்டர் 7. கிவ் வெரி ஷார்ட் ஆன்சர். Question number 1. Make a list of electrical equipments at home which we get heat from. Answer. Water heater, iron box, electric kettle, induction cooktop. Question number 2. What is temperature? Answer. The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as its temperature. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Question number 3. What is thermal expansion? Answer. The expansion of a substance on heating is called thermal expansion. Question number 4. What do you understand by thermal equilibrium? Answer. Thermal equilibrium exists when two objects in thermal contact no longer affect each other's temperature. Roman letter 8. Give short answer. Question number 1. What difference do you think heating the solid will make in their molecules? Answer. When we heat solids, the vibrations and movement of molecules will increase. The temperature of the object will increase. The distance between molecules will increase. Question number 2. Distinguish between heat and temperature. Answer. Heat. Heat not only depends on the temperature of the substance, but it also depends on how many molecules are there in the object. Temperature. Temperature is related to how fast the atoms or molecules move or vibrate within the substance. Heat measures the total kinetic energy of the molecules in the substance. Temperature measures the average kinetic energy of molecules. The SI unit of heat is joule. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Roman letter 9. Answer in detail. Explain thermal expansion with suitable examples. Answer. Fitting the iron rim on the wooden wheel. The diameter of the iron ring is slightly less than that of the wooden wheel. Therefore, it cannot be easily slipped on from the rim of wooden wheel. The iron ring is therefore first heated to a higher temperature so that it expands in size, and the hot ring is then easily slipped over to the rim of the wooden wheel. Cold water is now poured on the iron ring so that it contracts in size and holds the wooden wheel tightly. riveting. Rivets are used to join two steel plates together. Hot rivet is driven through the hole in the plates. One end of the rivet is hammered to form a new rivet head. When cooled, the rivet will contract and hold the two plates tightly together. Cracking of a thick glass tumbler. Glass is a poor conductor of heat. When hot liquid is poured into the tumbler, the inner surface of the tumbler becomes hot and expands, while the outer surface remains at the room temperature and does not expand. Due to this unequal expansion, the tumbler cracks. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்ததுன்னா உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.